Send one email, earn $20. Send 100 emails, earn $2,000. I'm gonna show you how you can make money online just by sending email in this video, and this is something which is really very simple. You don't need to make any email list by yourself. All you need to do is click your mouse and you could be making awesome money with this strategy. This is something which works all over the world. You can do this from any country of the world and start earning money as soon as possible. This is one of the methods which many of the people won't be revealing, but I am revealing this strategy to you so that you can make the maximum money online as soon as possible. But before we jump into our juicy awesome content, I would like to tell you that smash the like button and smash the subscribe button with the bell icon so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos just for you. And also comment down below the country from where you belong to, so that from the next time when I am creating my videos, I will keep in mind that I have to make a video which is optimized for your country, and so that you can take the first movers advantage and make maximum money. So now let's jump into our juicy content. Step 1. You need to create a Gmail account for this strategy, and I would recommend that you create a new Gmail account because we are gonna utilize a new Gmail strategy with this. Okay, so it is important that you create a new Gmail and don't use your personal Gmail in this strategy. This is something which is very important. So first step has to be completed, creation of a new Gmail account. Now let's go towards the step 2. Step 2 is that you need to find a product to promote, and you need to find a product which is a low ticket product for promotion in this strategy. You can use Digistore 24 products for this strategy, or you can also use ClickBank products. But for this specific video, I am going to suggest you a ClickBank product, which is this one, ClickWealth System, because this is something which converts the best for make money offers. So you can utilize this. Okay, you can go to this affiliate page of this ClickW offer, and you will find a lot of resources which are available over here. Okay, so you just need to go to this affiliate resources and you will find all these emails. Okay, now you just have to utilize this email for this particular strategy. This is very important and this is what you will need. Okay, they are already providing you with all the email swipes which you need for this method. Okay, this is an absolutely free method, so don't worry that you don't have to pay any money for this. Okay, it is completely free and most of you will be able to do it. Okay, so just take one of the templates from over here. These are all professionally written emails which are really likely to convert. Okay, so they are providing you, this product is already providing you with all this emails, so you can utilize this. Okay, so this is the step number 2 which you have to complete, and this is very simple. If you are not having a Digistore or ClickBank account, then you can just sign up for them. They are absolutely free to sign up, and in most of the countries they accept people, so don't worry about that. You will be easily accepted to those affiliate networks, and you can just promote any of the product which is low ticket. That means a product which is less than $50, then there is a higher chance of conversion with this method and with this strategy which I am suggesting to you in this video. So now we come back and you have just created your new email. Now we are going to utilize that email for this particular website, and you just need to go to this particular website and sign up. Okay, now you can go to this website which is known as Herculist Plus. Okay, now this is one of the website where you can go and you can just see here herculist.com. okay, you can come to this website, just sign up for this website, and the best thing about Herculist is that you could send thousands of emails daily absolutely for free, and they will provide you their email list. Yes, Herculist Plus website has his own email list and you can send that email to all the people, but you are signing up for this website with one of the Gmail. Okay, so you will also receive some messages to your Gmail. That's the reason why I told you to create a new Gmail for this method. Okay, and then what you can do is that you can just click one or two buttons, sign up for this website, and you can send your emails to millions and millions of people which are signed up on this website. And the best thing is that you get $5 of free sign up. So that is something which is really awesome, and you can see it is a 100% real traffic and real people are available over here. And the thing is that, see, you can see you just need to send this. Okay, you just need to sign up over here. That is simple, that is easy, and most of you will be able to do it. And this is something which is really awesome, and this website works 100%. Many of the people are utilizing this website, creating their new Gmails and then signing up for this website and signing and sending thousands of emails with this website absolutely for free. And this website is providing their email list to you, so you don't need to create your own email list with this website. So that is something which is really awesome about this website. And if you really take action on the strategy, you will be able to make money as soon as possible, because this is something which very less email marketers are going to reveal to you. I am revealing this genius strategy to you so that you can make the maximum money as soon as possible. So if you got some value out of this video, smash the like button and also smash the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome new videos for you, so that you can make the maximum money online. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching this awesome